Shout out to my nigga DMX, you know when he was in the movie and he told, nah, you go to Kate Brooks, nigga. Yeah, shout out to my nigga X, cause this is how I feel. Here we go again. Now you get the Rocker Flame Crew halftime show and Love De Niro and all this shit and Brick Squad Monopoly and they doing fucking tours and they in Europe and nobody gives a fuck, really, like honestly. So what, y'all got fandom? So what? It's two of them. So nobody gives a fuck. And you fly private. So what? No one cares. I mean, y'all drop mixtapes, y'all give away music for free. So I can run around with his fucking hair swinging all over the place. All the bitches, can you be my baby daddy? Fuck all that. Y'all bitches be bugging. Y'all need to get at me, like real shit. Like I don't understand all this. The Rocker Flacker thing. The shit went platinum and they crash servers. Who cares? I don't give a fuck. Me and my niggas don't care. We don't like y'all. We really don't like y'all. So y'all got all the bitches. So what? Nobody gives a fuck. So y'all can get it, download this shit, and everybody have it. I don't care. Real shit. Fuck all that. You Flocka Red 2 and Love De Niro and halftime show. No one cares. Except for me. I really want to be down with y'all. I swear to God. I know I got a phone that I want to be friends and I won't be Brick Squad, everything. I'll be friends with the people, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I be acting like I'm mad and shit, but when y'all pull off, I be wishing I was in the car with y'all. Please, I'm waiting for the mother. I'll be on the tour bus.